Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to add websites to favorite in Safari browser on iPhone. We can easily add any website in our favorite list on Safari browser, and here's how to do it. Go ahead and launch your Safari browser, and first of all make sure to open the specific website. Okay, now once you are in the website, tap on the share button, and here you will find this add to favorites option. Just tap on that, and you can change the website title from here. Then tap on save, and that's it. The website has been added in my favorite list. Follow the same steps to add multiple websites in your Safari browser favorite list. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.